Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. I'm Susan and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about something that I've seen a lot of people doing. For some reason I don't want it to be trendy because it's kind of serious. It has to do with your health. In no means, no way am I a doctor. Okay, let's just say that, obviously. But I would like to talk about and review the ever-changing, controversial ketogenic / keto diet. What's the keto diet, you say? Keto diet is a high-fat, medium-protein, low to no-carb diet. So percentages of each one, obviously the fat is the highest. What happens is instead of burning sugars, your body will be burning fat. So if you eat more fat, even if you have fat on you, it's going to burn that first. If it has no carbs to burn, there's no sugars and things like that to burn, so it's going to burn fat. I did this diet, and I will say this, it was a no for me, and I'll tell you why. So the ketogenic diet has been around for years. It helps people with epilepsy, high blood pressure, I think diabetes as well, which is all good. I remember reading where like Halle Berry has been doing it for years and it's gotten rid of her diabetes. I believe Kourtney Kardashian has done the same thing. A few of my friends have done it and have found success with it. They lose weight and they look great. There's a few YouTubers, Instagrammers that are doing it, and people that have been doing it for a long time. If you are a picky person as far as foods or allergic to a lot of things, this may not be the diet for you. How it works is you can't have carbs. Carbs, I know it's a big general thing. So like bread, rice killed me, but whatever. Rice, popcorn, potatoes, French fries, baked potatoes, anything like that. That's just an example. Proteins you can have are like meats. Any type of like meats are fine. Try to cut back on processed meats. High fat, they want you to have like certain like MCT oil, which I did have, and healthy fats, so to speak. Healthier oils like avocado oil, bacon, no dairy unless it's whole fat, like whole fat yogurt. And you have to be specific, like it has to be plain. You can put in certain berries, but it's certain berries. That's the thing. You can't just put any old fruit in there and be like, oh, I can eat this, blah, blah, blah. Sounds great. Sounds like a bacon lover's dream, things like that. I am a very picky person when it comes to food, and it's not so much that I'm picky. Call me what you want, I don't care. There's a lot of foods I don't like. There's some foods that I am allergic to. And unfortunately for me, a lot of the foods that I don't like and or allergic to are suggested in the keto diet. For example, artichokes and asparagus, avocados, bananas, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cheese, cottage cheese. I don't remember if you can have that. Don't like it. Cream of anything, eggplant, eggs, ham, hummus, mayonnaise, mushrooms, olives or okra, plantains, pumpkin, radish, raisins, red cabbage, radishes, sour cream. Sweet potatoes is a no-no. Tomatoes, tuna fish. So as you see, the point of this is there's a lot of foods I don't eat. And it became very frustrating when you're trying to make a meal and you're limited to things that you like, but A, are not on the keto diet, or B, they are on the keto diet, but you don't like them. What are you gonna do? It sucks, I will say that. Now, don't get me wrong, I did lose like 12 pounds when I first started. It took a while because you have to A, get the measurements right, B, find out, like if you use a MyFitnessPal or another type of app, so to speak, figuring out your percentages for your body weight, for your height, things like that. It's a balance. Now, nutritionists, I believe, will help you figure that out too if you don't want to go to a MyFitnessPal, go to a ketogenic website. It'll tell you, you know, what you need. Hold on, please. I do like my ringtone though. Bye bye. Okay, as you see, it's, you know, BTS. So with that being said, it's very difficult to do this if you have, you know, different food allergies or you don't like certain foods. Most people will have like eggs, slices of avocado, and a couple pieces of bacon for breakfast and can eat that every day. Great, congratulations. Can't eat any of that except for bacon. And you cannot do this bacon on, or this diet on bacon alone. I mean, you could, but chicken wings, that's a whole nother story too. So for chicken wings, you can have chicken wings as long as they are buffalo, like hot, no, like just hot sauce, or do a dry rub that has like no sugar. You can't do like certain barbecue sauces and things like that because the sugar content is very high. I will say, do your research on this diet, see how it works. It's not something that you can just jump right into and be like, okay, this is gonna work for me. You have to plan this out. And I don't mean just getting yourself in the correct mindset, but I mean planning like your menu and things like that. My review on this is, do I recommend it? I recommend it for those that eat a lot of foods. I don't recommend it for people such as myself that are picky and or allergic to a lot of things. It is a lifestyle change. It is not just a diet. I'm not going to warn you or anything like that. Like I said, I'm not a doctor. I just know what I went through. There are also ketogenic friendly shakes that you can use. I was doing one, it was by a company called, I know it just sounds just like so, called Keto Chow. No, they're not sponsoring this, but I did like them. You mix it with water and then you add cream, like heavy whipping cream, or you can add avocado or MCT oil or all of it just to get your fat content up. Could I have survived off of this? Sure. Would I have liked it? Abso-freaking-lutely not. Like I said, do your research. It has worked. I'm not hating on it, on the ketogenic diet at all. It's great if you eat foods, like a variety of foods. It didn't work for me because I am so picky. If there is someone out there in YouTube land that is watching this and can help me figure out foods, I will send you this list of 65 foods right here that I don't eat. And that's just some of them. I'm sorry, my dog just decided to go, you know, ape shit. If you want to make a diet for me or a meal plan doing ketogenic diet, she wants to be in the video so bad. Let me know, because it's difficult. But anyway, I digress. So that's what I have. If you have any questions on my experience on ketogenic diet, shoot me a message. Otherwise, I'll put in the description some links to some articles, not articles I stand by, so to speak, but just articles that I've found useful and come across for the ketogenic diet. And that's pretty much all I have. So thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob, and I'll see you next time.